Good afternoon, Godo. I'd like to thank you for taking a couple of minutes to look at the mock-up that we put together for the Health Spa Coves. Ryan and I went over and met with Derek and Serb the other day. Looking for the smallest, the tightest arc. We found it at the end of a hallway, and the arc turned out to be 48 inches. So what we were going to do was take a piece down, mold it. However, in taking it down, we noticed that it had been cracked in a couple of places. So we decided it doesn't really matter. It was just a sweeping curve anyway. And so if we can do 48 inches, also it had a slight straight section to it. So that was the second test. Can we transition from a curve to a straight section in one single fixture? So what we did was we went up, we came back to the shop, and we molded this fixture. And you could see it. And it turned out to be exactly perfectly linear. It has absolutely no pixelation, and it dims all the way down to almost zero, maintaining a perfectly level finish. The other thing that we did see, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see where it did transition from a curve to a straight, and it was perfect. When you mold the lens, it stays in that position. It actually takes the exact shape of the mold. How we make the fixture, I know you've seen the fixtures, but in this case what we have is a standard extrusion, and it's the same extrusion that's used on the highlight fixture, blue, and the highlight white. Same extrusion, very similar. And what we do is we take the anodized aluminum base, we form that, then we take the prefabricated straight lens, and we put that in an industrial oven. We have a 9-foot industrial oven. It's heated for X minutes at X temperature, and then it becomes malleable. Then we mold it to the fixture. And once it's molded and cools, it maintains its shape. And here was a sample piece we did. So once that's done, back at the shop, the LED is put in it. The end is polished and then sealed with silicone. So it's a UL wet location, 5-year warranty, and it's perfectly smooth. Also, it's field repairable. In the event something goes wrong, or we have to replace something, not probable, but it could happen, the lens comes out, LED gets replaced, and the fixture's back. And that's how it works. So basically, that's how we fabricated this particular fixture.